Guardian Home Inspection, performing sewer line inspection for 8315 Sale Avenue, West Hills, Cal 91304. The property faces east. I'm in the bathroom, the lower floor bathroom. The property's built in 1973. 4 bedroom, 2 bath, 2232 square footage. Here's the bathroom. And you do have a clean out here in the bathroom. So I'm going to use this to access the main lateral sewer pipe. Let's see what kind of luck I get. Sometimes it's difficult to perform this sewer inspection. And sometimes I'll have to turn some water on so I could get some flow. Good thing that I'm near a bathroom, and then I could turn the water on as needed. Right now I'm getting a good picture. So I didn't locate a clean out at the front of the property. That might be one, or it could just be a dump from one of the lines. There might be a clean out installed at the front. We'll see. So let's see how far I could take this. So a couple numbers to look at. 33 feet, 33 feet, 11 inches. That's distance traveled. And the bottom left-hand corner, there's going to be a number there for the slope. It should be negative slope at all times. Sometimes we'll get a positive here and there. So this sewer pipe is 4-inch ABS. That looks like a clean out right there. So I can go locate that. On the way back, I'll stop and locate that main sewer clean out, just so you know where it's at. There's a lot of mulch in the front, so I couldn't locate that. We'll see. So I pushed this camera manually. Let's see how far it can get. 53 feet out. And the idea is, or the goal is, to get to the main lateral sewer connection. Let me just position myself a little bit better here. Sorry for all that noise. These videos can get kind of boring, but boring is good in this case. We don't want to see any tree roots, broken pipe, any damage. Alright, so right here, there is a little bit of low slope or improper slope that's collecting sewage. See that? So I will push past this. I'm going to be underwater for a second. Let's see what happens here. Toilet paper. That might just be toilet paper, but go back. I'll be right back. Alright, I turned the shower or the bathtub water on, but I think I got stuck with some. Turn it off. I think I got toilet paper stuck on the camera head. That's what was causing me to have a limited view. But now I turned the water on, that pushed it away. So you do have like a little low slope, a little belly here. See that? And that's where it connects to the clay pipe. So clay pipe is typical. See right there, there's the belly. And then that's one other area I can locate that turns into the clay. So now we're 87 feet out. Sorry about that noise. See how far we can take this. Feet out. Alright, that's the city sewer connection there. Boom. That's it. So I made it to the city sewer connection, and the main lateral sewer pipe looks good up until that point where you have a minor slope on it. So right now what I'll do is I'll flush the toilet, and then we'll see the water flow. See if we get proper water flow. We might have limited water flow just because of that low belly. Another thing that's happening is I filled up that bathtub and it's draining slowly, so that's why we're getting water trickling. So I'll be right back. All right, so let me flush the toilet here. I'm gonna have to wait a little second before you see the water flow. Give it a second. So the main city saddle connection looks okay. I don't see any issues with that, so that's a good sign. One of the things we're going to address is that belly. So I'm going to backtrack to that belly once we see the water flush by, and then I'll find it, and also I'll try to locate that main sewer clean out at the front. There's the flush toilet, so that's good. It is flowing, so that's a good sign, but you do have a belly, so let's go look for that belly. So now I'm just going to retract my camera, and now we're just coming back dry. And this is clay, which is okay. The clay pipe has a bad rap, but it's okay. The clay pipe lasts hundreds of years. The issue is the joints that get sealed with concrete, and that erodes over time, and that's what causes the tree roots to invade. So this is the connection, or this is clay still, right here. That's where it starts to do a low slope. There's a low belly there. So let me put my camera right where it's at, the lowest spot, and I'll go locate that for you. I'll be right back. All right, I located that, and that's located at the driveway where the section of concrete was repaired. So that's where they connected. They had to cut the concrete, connect that. So there's this low slope there. There's a belly. So I'll note it. It's not like really major, because it is flowing, but it could clog. So let me go locate the sewer clean out and then tell you where that's at. See if I find it. All right, right there. Let's go see if I can find that sewer clean out. All right, I located the clean out. It's right in the front area there, so that's good. So now I'm just going to backtrack my camera, and we're all done. So we just had that one issue with that low slope collecting sewage. So like I said, it's not nothing to write home about. If you wanted to repair that, cut the driveway and try to address that, that's going to be like $3,000. Give me a call if you have any questions, but like I said, it's probably a long run for its short slide to repair that. All right, I'm all done. This is the property. Thank you very much.